students for Prep 1. I am Mr. Amr Mustapha, and this the next lesson about new year of Prep 1. We start in the previous lesson with proportion, and we took many problems about it, and we took a homework. Let's start with our homework. Number 1. Find the value of the unknown in the following proportion. These are proportional quantities. So when we want to solve it, we have to put the first term over the next term equal the third term over the fourth term. So x over 16 equal 5 over 4. So I will do my cross multiplication and x equal dash of fraction, the number which opposite to x on the denominator and the others in the numerator, 16 times 5. Okay, we can simplify 16 and 4. Divided by 4 equal 1. Divided by 4 equal 4. So 4 times 5 equal 20. The next one. 15 and x and 30 and 12. So 15 over x equal 30 over 12. So make a cross multiplication. X equal the number which opposite to x is 30. So I put it on denominator and the other numbers on numerator. 15 times 12. 15 half 30. So I can divide it 15 by 15 equal 1. 30 by 15 equal 2. And 12 divided by 2. So I can divide it by 2. Down 1 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 equal 6. So equal 1 times 6 equal 6. So the value of x is 6. The third one, 1 over 3 equal 2 over y plus 1. I make a cross multiplication. So the number which opposite to y plus 1 on the denominator, 1. 3 times 2 equal 6. So equal x plus 1 equal 6 divided by 1 equals 6. So it's an equation. I will transport 1 to the other side with the reflect sign. So x equal 6 minus 1. So x equal 5. 12 over x equal 4/10. So I will make 4/10 this 4 over 10. It's the same form, but in a fraction, not a decimal. So I can make a cross multiplication. X equal the number which opposite to x is 4. I will put it in denominator and the other on numerator, 12 times 10. 12 divided by 4, so I will divide it by 4, 1. 12 divided by 4 equal 3. 3 times 10 equal 30. So x equal 30. Okay. Let's go to another slide, and our topic today is application of ratio and proportion. The first topic which consider an application about proportion is scale drawing. Let me tell you about scale drawing. Scale drawing related to magnification or minimization. Magnification or minimization. So if I want to draw a street in a paper, I have a street. I want to make a map for this street. I want to make a map on the paper. I want to make a map on the paper to the street. So I have to minimize the street to a small icon to can draw it on the paper. Okay? So the skill drawing, we use it to maybe magnification or minimization. Minimization if I have a big street or a big city and I want to have a map for it. But if I have an insect like ant, okay, and I want to magnify the ant, so I will make a zoom on it to make it just like that. I magnify it by a scale drawing. So what is the meaning of the scale drawing? The scale drawing mean the ratio between length in drawing over real length. Length, scale drawing equal length in drawing or on the map or on the picture. Drawing may be map, may be picture, maybe maquette, anything just like that. And the real considered the real length on the natural or on the fact. The real length in the fact, okay? Okay. So the skill drawing equal length in drawing over length in reeling or real length. I can write it as D to R. Real length in drawing, real length on reeling. I try to make a symbol for each of these items. Length in drawing D and real length R. R, the first letter on real, and D, the first letter of drawing. Drawing to real. So the scale drawing is drawing to real or drawing over real. This is two ways to write the scale drawing. Maybe D to R or D over R. Maybe length or drawing over real length or length in drawing to real length. To the same of the dash of the fraction. 2 or dash of fraction, it's equal, okay? Okay, let's go on our lesson. We have to know about some converts from unit to another unit. We have many units in length. So we have millimeter and centimeter and decimeter and meter and kilometer. Okay, between them 10, 10, 10,000. Okay, so centimeter equal 10 millimeter, decimeter equal 10 centimeter, meter equal 10 decimeter, or meter equal 100 centimeter, kilometer equal 1000 meter. In scale drawing, 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter, 1 meter equal 10 decimeter, or 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. If we have a problem with a meter, our convert by times on in hundred. If the problem in a meter unit, we have to convert by times or divided by 100. If we have a problem with kilometer, we have to convert it to centimeter. The distance between kilometer and centimeter have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So when I will convert from kilometer to centimeter, I will times or divide it by 10,000. From kilometer to centimeter times by 10,000. From centimeter to kilometer divided by 10,000. In meter, if I have meter and I will convert to centimeter, I will times by 100. From centimeter to meter, I will divide it by 100. Okay. Let's know the way to find the scale drawing. He give me a table, drawing length, real length. He want to get the drawing scale or scale drawing. We know scale drawing, right? Or wrote like that, 1 to 100, 1 to 50, 100 to 1, and so on. He give me here the drawing length and the real length, and he wanted to get the drawing scale. So let's take an example. If the drawing length is 5 centimeter and the real length is 20 kilometer, find the drawing scale. We have 3 steps to solve this problem. Number 1, convert. Number 2, draw to reeling. This is the scale drawing, draw to reeling. The scale drawing is draw to reeling or draw over reeling. The third one, simplification. So I have 3 steps to solve this problem. Convert, D to R, simplification. Convert, draw to R, simplification. Convert, I have centimeter and kilometer. I have to convert kilometer to centimeter. Number 1, 20 kilometer, I want to convert it to centimeter, so I will times by 100,000. So equal 2 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this the step of convert. After I convert, draw to reeling. Draw to reeling. It meaning the length in draw and the length in reeling. The length in draw here is 5. The length in reeling here is 20, but I convert it to 2 million. I convert 20 by time it by 100,000 to 2 million. So 20 kilometer become 2 million. So I write 2 million. So this is the next step. So I have the first step, convert 20 kilometer to centimeter by time it by 100,000. Number 2, draw to reeling. I write the length in drawing to the length on reeling. Then the last step or the third step, I will simplification. It divided by 5 and it divided by 5. So I will divide it 2 numbers by 5. 5 divided by 5 equal 1. And 2 million divided by 5, 20 divided by 5 equal 4. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 divided by 5 equal the same 0. Okay, so my scale drawing is 1 to 400,000. What is the meaning of the scale drawing is 1 to 400,000? It means each centimeter or every centimeters in draw represent 4 kilometer or 400,000 centimeter. So its meaning the scale drawing 1 to 400,000 means each 1 centimeter in draw or on map represent 4 kilometers in reeling or on fact. Okay? Okay. Let's take the next one. If the drawing length, the length in draw is 9 centimeters and real length is 180 kilometers. Find the scale drawing. I will make 3 steps. Convert, drawing to reeling, simplification. Convert kilometer to centimeter by time it by 100,000. So convert equal 180 times 100,000. So equal, I have 6 zeros, so I write 18 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 18 million. Convert the next draw to reeling. Draw in length or length drawing 9. Reeling after convert 180 after convert become 18 million. So 18 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So simplify by dividing 2 numbers by 9. 9 divided by 9 equal 1. 18 divided by 9 equal 2, and the zeros as it is. 3, 4, 5, 6. So my scale drawing is 1 to 2 million. 1 to 2 million. What is the meaning of that? Each 1 centimeter in draw represent 20 kilometer on reeling or on reel. Okay? Okay, let's go to our next problem. An enlarged picture of an insect, its real length. An enlarged picture of an insect, its real length is 5/10 millimeter. Real length means R. Real, in real. This is the real length. And its length in the picture. In the picture means in the draw. D is 7.5 centimeter. Find the scale drawing. I have 3 steps. Convert, draw to reeling, simplification. Convert, I will convert centimeter to millimeter. I know centimeter equal 10 millimeter. So I will times it by 10. Convert equal 7.5 times 10 equal 75. This is the first step. Next step, draw to reeling. Okay, end row in the picture. In draw means in the picture or in the map, okay? In the picture, 7.5, but I converted to 75, so I will write 75. To the real length, it's 0.5. I have to get rid of this decimal by times by 10 to erase this decimal. I will times by 10, 75 by 10 and 0.5 by 10. I have to times these numbers, not one and read the other. No, I will times both of them, okay? So it will be 750 to 5. Okay, simplification times by divided by 5. 750 divided by 5 equal 150. You can use the calculator. 5 divided by 5 equal 5. Sorry, equal 1. Equal 5 divided by 5 equal 1. So the scale drawing is 150 to 1. What is that meaning? That meaning it's 150 millimeter. And this 1 millimeter. It means each 150 millimeter or each 15 centimeter in draw represent 1 millimeter in the reel. Okay? Okay. Let's go. If the scale drawing is greater than 1, I have 2 ways or 2 form of the scale drawing. Maybe 1, 2, a great number, or maybe 3. Anyway, I have scale drawing maybe greater than 1 or less than 1. For example, if I have scale drawing 1 to 1000, it means 1 over 1000. 1 over 1000. Okay. It means the scale drawing is less than 1. But if I have a scale drawing 1000 to 1. It means 1000 over 1 equal 1000. It means the scale drawing greater than 1. When the scale drawing greater than 1, the scale drawing for magnification, such as insect, I want to magnify it to see it by a clarity way, okay? But if the scale drawing is less than 1, the scale drawing for minimization, such as 1 to 70, 740, 1 to 300, but the magnification just like 104 by to 1, 350 to 1, and so on, okay? It's a very important notice, and it's come on our problems complete. If the scale drawing is greater than 1, the scale drawing for, I write magnification. If the scale drawing is less than 1, the scale drawing for minimization, okay? Okay. This problem, the distance between Aswan and Qina, it's 2 cities on the Upper Egypt. If the distance between them 350 kilometers, if the map length is 7 centimeter, find the drawing scale. He want the drawing scale. He give me the distance between Aswan and Qina, 350 kilometers. So it's the real distance. 350 kilometers. It must be the real distance. And in the map means drawing is 7 centimeter. Find the scale drawing. I have 3 steps. Number 1, convert. I will convert kilometer to centimeter. So 350 times 5 zeros. To convert kilometer to centimeter, I will times by 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 3, 35, and 6 zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $35 million. The next step, draw to reeling. In draw, the distance is 7. In the map means in draw, 7. Reeling is after convert, of course, after convert, 35 million. Okay. I write draw to reeling. Simplify, divided by 7. 7 divided by 7 equal 1. 35 divided by 7 equal 5. And I will put 6 zeros as it is. 3, 4, 5, 6. So the scale drawing is 1 to 5 million. It means each 1 centimeter on the map, 1 centimeter on the map represent 50 kilometers on the reel. Okay? Okay. A map is drawn with a scale 1 to 500,000. He gave me here the scale drawing, not ask me for find it. He gave me the scale drawing. Find the real distance. He want R, the real distance, between 2 cities in kilometer, given that the map distance 8. He gave me the map distance. Draw. It's easier than the previous question. I have the scale drawing. So I will write the symbol for the scale drawing. I have the scale drawing. It means draw to reeling is 1 to 500,000. So I will write draw to reeling 1 to 500,000. It's easy. Okay. Okay. He wanted to find the real distance. Find the real distance. So I write draw to reeling 1 to 500,000. He asked find the real distance. Want the real distance. So I will write X under the real distance. And he said that the map distance is 8 centimeter. Map distance in draw. So I will write here 8. Right here 8. So I write 1 to 500,000. This is the scale drawing. Find the real distance. It's X. I don't know it. He want it. And he give me the distance in draw. I will write it here under draw. Okay, I will make a cross multiplication. X equal dash of fraction. The number which opposite to X is 1. And the other number in the numerator. 8 times 500,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The remainder to finish this problem is convert. This problem is kilometer. So I will convert by 5 zeros. When I will put the 5 zeros over, or I mean in numerator or denominator, if the zeros in numerator, put the zeros in denominators. And vice versa, if the zeros in denominator, put it in the numerator. So I have here the zeros in the numerator. I will put the zeros of convert in denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to convert kilometer to centimeter. I will cancel 5 zeros from here by 5 zeros from here. And I find 8 by 5 equal 40. So the real distance is 40 kilometers. Okay. The distance between Aswan and the Qina is 373 kilometers and was drawn on map with a scale of, he gave me the scale, 1 to 1 million. What is the distance on the map? I have the scale, so I write the scale. Draw to reeling. 1 to 1 million. Okay. The distance between Aswan and the Qina is 373 kilometers. This is the distance in real. So I will write it here, 373. What is the distance on the map? You want the distance in draw here. So I will put X and make cross multiplication. X equal. The number which opposite to X is 1 million. I put it in denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1 times 373. 373 times 1. Remained. Don't forget the step of convert inside the problem. Okay, I will convert it. It's kilometers. I need to put 5 zeros. Ups or down? The zeros is down, so I will put 5 zeros up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I will cancel 5, 0, 3, 4, 5 by 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 373 over 10, so make it by calculator equal 37.3 centimeter, because he wanted on the map. On the map, he wanted the distance on the map. Okay, clear or not clear? I think it's very easy. Okay, another problem. A map was drawn in a scale 1 to 200,000. It's the scale, so I will put D to R 100, 1, sorry, to 200,000. 1, 2, 3. The distance between two cities on the map means in draw 8. I put 8 under the draw. Find the real. He wanted the real distance between them. The real distance between them. X to under the real distance. Make a cross multiplication. X equal the number which opposite to X on the cross multiplication 1 denominator. The other on numerator 8 times 200,000. Don't forget the step of convert. We will convert kilometer to centimeter because it's distance between cities. The distance between cities measures by kilometer, okay? So I will convert by 5 zeros. 5 zeros, put it up or down? Down, because the zeros is up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cancel 5 zeros. Up by 5 zeros down. It remains 8 by 2 equals 16 kilometer, because he wants the real, and the real by kilos. So X is the distance between them, 16 kilometers. Okay, I am happy to be with you. This is our homework. You can take a screenshot for it and answer it. Write me your answer in a comment, and I will respond with you. Thank you. Thank you, my lovely students, and see you soon, inshallah, in the next lesson. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.